Hey guys, what is up? Ultimate Gather Strip down back with another video, and this time I have an iPhone 6s which had been dropped from 40 feet, but unfortunately I couldn't get that clip first. So I dropped it again from 25 feet 3 times, back facing, front facing and side facing. And when I dropped it side facing, it literally came apart into two pieces. So here's what happened.
So here is the final overview of the phone. After the side facing drop test, the screen and the body ripped apart. So thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more videos and